Hi, I'm Matt from Parksure Insurance. As mentioned in my previous YouTube video, I'm going to hopefully answer the most common questions asked in my industry. My industry being the park home, mobile home, holiday lodge, static caravan and holiday leisure industry. So if you're in that industry or interested in that lifestyle, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, one of the most asked questions in my industry is, should I get a lawyer involved when buying a park home? But you can easily apply this to buying a holiday lodge or a static caravan as well. Yes is the answer. You should. And once again, I created one of the shortest YouTube videos in history. But hang on, before you move on to watching videos of cute animals doing funny things, there is some advice you should really listen to before you go. Park homes or mobile homes you may know them as well as holiday lodges and static caravans, are a specialist product. So like the fact you need a specialist insurer like us, not just your run-of-the-mill insurer to cover you and offer you advice, so too do you need a specialist lawyer who is familiar with all the little intricacies involved with the park home and leisure market. One thing they may pick up, which is occurring more and more regularly nowadays, is the fact that some people are buying holiday homes on holiday parks with a 12-month license under the mistaken belief that they can live in them on a permanent basis. You can't, by the way. See my video, Living in a Holiday Home. I'll put the link below. The lawyer will check this and let you know if the park is a residential or a holiday park with an 11 or 12-month license. Just because it's got a 12-month license, it's a 12-month holiday license. You can use it for holidays for 12 months of the year. You can't live in it on a permanent basis. Again, see my video. Also, it's no good hiring a normal lawyer used to sorting out the conveyancing on a bricks and mortar home, as they won't know the pitfalls to look out for in this specialist market. And yes, that means it's likely to cost you extra, but as this is likely to be your biggest purchase, why wouldn't you get a specialist park home solicitor involved? You might think by not getting a lawyer you'll be saving money, but that could prove wrong and incredibly more expensive in the long run. As I keep saying, go into the park home lifestyle with your eyes open. If they pick something up, you can then make an informed decision whether to go ahead with the purchase or pull out. Or you could use what you learned to try and get the price reduced and take the risk on whatever you found. Or get the seller to fix the problem before the sale. At least you know of any problems going forward. Now, one such specialist park home lawyer who we met at the Stoney show is Ibraheem Dulmeer, whose details I will put in the link below. Just another reason you should be making an effort to go to these shows, as you can pick up details like this. Now, we haven't used him ourselves, so you will have to make up your own mind. But we've heard he's very good, and he's the one who offers the free advice in the Park Home and Holiday Living magazine if you write in. Also, a good magazine for you to get into if you're getting into this lifestyle. And that's it. Getting a lawyer involved is money well spent as far as I'm concerned. Don't forget, all insurance normally excludes pre-existing conditions. So if you go in blind, you may find yourself not insured for that peril and paying for something the previous owner should have fixed long before you bought the home. Why should your insurance company pay for something that happened years before you moved in and took over that home and took out your insurance? That should be the previous owner's responsibility, and you take that risk on when you buy that property. See my other video about getting a park home survey as well. Or heaven forbid you find out you bought the home thinking you can live in it and it turns out you're living illegally on a holiday park. You don't want to find yourself in that situation, as you may find yourself homeless at very short notice. Again, watch my video, Living in a Holiday Home, link below. And in a situation where the lawyer doesn't find anything wrong, he's just reinforcing the fact you've made a good decision in buying the home. And don't forget, once you've bought the home, to give us a ring for the insurance. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more exciting news about insurance, if there is such a thing. And if anybody has anything to add, please leave it in the comment section below. I'm always up to learning something new or being corrected if I'm wrong. I am far from perfect, and I've still got a lot to learn, even despite my age. Call us to discuss this or to obtain an insurance quotation on free phone 0800 731 9583 or visit us at www.parksure.com, and not forgetting, keep an eye out for more Parksure top tips in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more exciting YouTube content. And that's it. Take care.